Good afternoon, everyone. This is Joel Hawk from MarineMax. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you a 2023 Aviara AV36. During the model year clearance, this boat was listed over $700,000. Today you could buy this boat for $399,000. This is an amazing boat. Ton of room, ton of seating, lots of options. Nice stadium seating, sea deck flooring, beautiful galley. It's got the fiberglass hardtop, nicely laid out. Nice galley with all the things that you need. Grill, sink, refrigerator, plenty of storage, a nice cooler pull out. Come up the co-captain, you've got some nice seating options. Put that into a holster or reverse for coaching. Come up to the captain seat. Plenty of options up here. Big Simrad screen, you got the joystick. Nice area down here. Storage, and also your control panel. You got AC and heat down here. It's equipped with a generator. It's a nice head, plenty of headroom. Walk through here. Beautiful boat, stainless steel windlass, radio controls, plush seating.